One of our projects recently was featured in Pittsburgh magazine. We will be performing the HVAC installation on a passive house, which, if you're not familiar, it's a carbon zero house. It will be the first residential passive house in the state of Pennsylvania. Very cool project. Huge attention to detail. All the latest equipment. We are being asked because we have a huge attention to detail, and we're going to install correctly. There's no margin for misinstallation. We are going to do this and be pioneers in the state. It's been a great opportunity for us to be able to be involved in a project like this. We were even asked to assist in the air sealing just because of our attention to details and it being such a important part of this project.